This is a quick little review of the Sony ECM AW4 wireless microphone system. So, I'm filming this on my Android phone, which is not what I usually use for filming. So please excuse the poor video and the probably poor audio. Usually what I use on my videos is I have this iPhone 6s Plus, which is mounted in this ALM billet aluminum case, which is really nice and has lots of mounting points for stuff, and has this slightly wide angle lens on it. It's not huge wide angle, but a little bit. And I got a GorillaPod here, and I also have a monopod and of course a regular tripod. But the audio sucks. I have this directional microphone thing that came with this, which helps, but it's still not great. So I was using a 5-meter long cord that I would plug into here with a lavalier mic, but I would trip over that, or I would disconnect it and film an entire video with nothing, no audio. So I decided to splurge this Christmas and buy this. This is the Sony wireless microphone system, the whatever I said it was. There's two parts. There's a receiver and a microphone. So they have a little microphone in the top, right there, and there's a place on the side of each one for an earbud. They send you two earbuds with the kit, and one earbud hanger, which does not look very comfortable, but I guess you could use it. And so that way the talent on the microphone, I guess in theory, could talk to and hear the person on the camera. Well, I have no talent, as I'm sure you're all aware. And so I won't be using that. But you could, I guess, use them as a crude two-way radio. Anyways, I also have this this Sony lavalier mic. It's a stereo mic, even though it's a mono system, but it seems to work fairly well. And that microphone is a Sony ECM CS3. The other thing I have is a patch cord. Now, the system comes with a regular patch cord. That's what this is. It's a TRS to TRS patch cord. It won't work with the smartphone. With the smartphone, you need a TRRS to TRS patch cord. Well, that's what this is. If you look at the two ends, they're not the same. This is a TRS and that's a TRRS. So anyways, that solves that problem. So what I do is I take this, put a little bit of Velcro on it, got a little bit of Velcro on there. I stick that on there. And then I take this TRS patch cord. It goes in the earplug here on this piece. And then this goes into the phone jack. Doing this all one-handed. Excuse me. Oh, sorry about that. So then I take this piece. This is the microphone. And I plug the lavalier mic into it. And then I turn them both on. And when you turn them both on, you will get a steady blue light, which means you have Bluetooth connection. And then I put the lavalier mic on me with this in my pocket, and I'm good to go. You can adjust the gain, I guess, on the microphone here. There's a volume control. I haven't really had to do that, but I guess that's something you could do. What else comes with it? This little windsock kind of thing, which I guess you would put over this one if you weren't using the lavalier mic. I don't know, I guess it's useful in a way. This little bag comes with it, and an armband, which I guess you would put the microphone on? I don't know, I don't understand. But anyways, I don't think the armband is going to be worth much. And I bought some of these little wind ball things for the lavalier mic. So I'm going to do a quick audio test now to show you hopefully the difference in sound between this system and just the onboard iPhone system. And I'm hoping we're going to see an improvement. Anyways, I'm sorry about the poor quality of the audio and video on this because it's just handheld with my Android phone. Anyways, stay tuned and take care, and we'll see you soon. This is a quick test of the Sony ECM AW4 wireless microphone system. It consists of two pods. One is on the phone, hooked up to a patch cord that goes from the wireless pod to the phone. It's a TRS to TRRS patch cord, and that's the iPhone 6s Plus that I use for my videoing. And the other is a pod that I have in my pocket here. There's there. Small, compact, takes a AAA battery. They both do, so that's pretty easy to find. And I have a lavalier mic hooked up. This is a Sony ECM CS3 microphone. It's a stereo microphone, but it works fairly well on this mono situation. Anyways, just a quick test. I hope you can hear me better. This will give me more freedom of movement and hopefully more consistent meaning better audio on my videos. Thank you very much. Okay, a follow-up test with just the onboard microphone on the iPhone 6s Plus. I think you can probably hear a difference in the quality of the audio. Not only that, as I would get further away or move around, I'm sure the audio would become even worse. With the wireless system, I'm hoping that I can have consistent audio levels. Anyways, that's it. Thanks very much.